Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Affinity Photo, how to copy selection. Okay, for example, I will open image, can click files, open, and I will use this image, open. Now, for the first I will select in this row, you can use brush tools, I will select in here. Okay, this is just for example, how to copy selection in Affinity Photo. After your selection, you can press Ctrl C to copy and then Ctrl V to paste. So it will be automatically create new layer background pixels in here. So you also can click select and deselect. If you hide this background, it will be only show for the selections image. You can show again, back in here, and then you also can hide for this background. Okay, that's it. How to copy selection in Affinity Photo. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.